भो वैष्णवे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Yesterday we also discussed how to attain our perfection goal. What is your goal? What do you want? What is your perfection goal? Do you understand?
Sorry?
What is your perfection goal?
What is your target? What is your aim? Where do you want to go?
Yeah?
The Rani's maid servant.
You want to become Srimati Radhika's maid servant? Huh? This is good. Huh?
I know I have a long way to go.
You want to go long way or you want to go short way?
No, I want to go short one. It's an
Huh?
expression, it will take a long time.
Yeah. If you want to become nice doctor or lawyer, so many years you have to study. Or if you want to just general job work, not so much need also study or qualifications. So what do you want? Dasat, in Ayodhya, Vishwamitra he arrived. Then Vishwamitra asked to Dasaratha Maharaj, in my ashram, Taraka and others, demons, they are so much disturbed to us. Understand? So Vishwamitra told, when I perform my fire sacrifice, and that time many demons are coming. And they disturb my fire sacrifice. So I need your two sons. They have to come in my ashram and protect my ashram, because demons, they are coming, always disturb. That time Dasaratha Maharaj asked, do you want to, which my son do you want? Then Vishwamitra he told, I want your two sons. One is Ram and another Ram and Lakshman. Because Ram and Lakshman very powerful. Especially Vishwamitra he realized Ramchandra he is not ordinary person. He is direct the manifestation of Vishnu avatar. Understand? Who is Ramchandra? He is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Our Gaudiya Siddhanta, actually he is Krishna. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadiradi Govinda Sarva Karana Karana. Ramchandra is non-different from Krishna. Just Krishna appeared in this Dapar Yug in the form of Ramachandra. So now coming to Vishwamitra, he asked Dasharatha Maharaj, you have to give me your two sons. One is Ram and another Lakshman. Because Vishwamitra in his trance, he realized now Vishnu appeared in the house of Dasharatha Maharaj as like their son. So for this regard, Vishwamitra, he asked to Dasharatha Maharaj, you can give me your two sons, and they easily killed Tarakasur and others demons, those who are disturbing my ashram. When heard the Dasharatha Maharaj, his heart melted. He think, how possible I will give my two sons, especially Ramachandra and Lakshman. But Vishwamitra is a powerful rishi. If you deny to him, then he will give curse. Understand? So now big calamity has come in the life of Dasharatha Maharaj. And then Dasharatha Maharaj, actually he gave his two sons, Bharat and Shatrughna, to Vishwamitra. And because four brothers look like same, and same face, just little bit difference, different complexion, Ram and Lakshman. So now coming in this way, Dasharatha Maharaj is thinking, how possible I will give my two sons Ram and Lakshman in the hand of Vishwamitra. Because Ram and Lakshman very nearest and dearest of King Dasharatha. Then Dasharatha Maharaj told to Bharat and Shatrughna, you should go with Vishwamitra and you may save his ashram, because there are so many demons they disturb to Dasharatha Maharaj, Vishwamitra. Then Bharat Lakshman, Bharat Shatrughna told, okay, we will go. They are very enthusiastic. Vishwamitra, now he took his two sons. What is his name? Bharat and Shatrughna. But still Vishwamitra's mind little bit disturbed. He thinks some doubts coming. These two boys, young boy, they are Ram or Lakshman or not. For this regard, Vishwamitra, he took test Ram and Lakshman. Listen, if you go this way, straight you will go, and then the demon, they will disturb to you. You have to fight against to them. Or if you go little bit far away, that place is what? No any obstacles. So easy to come in my ashram. When I heard this, then Bharat and Shatrughna, they told, why you take a risk to go to straight your ashram? It is better we have to go long way, opposite way. Opposite way, not round. Opposite way. Because there are no risks, no demon will come. When Bharata and Shatrughna told to Vishwamitra, then Vishwamitra realized, oh, these two boys are not Ram and Lakshman. Because who is Vishnu? Bhagavan, Ramchandra is Bhagavan. Bhagavan means he is what? He never afraid from the demon. But Bharat Shatrughna told, we will not go to the straight your ashram. Because you told me if you go your ashram straight, then many obstacles will come, maybe the demon will disturb to us. So for this regard, they don't want to go long way. That time Vishwamitra realized, oh, these two sons, not Ram and Lakshman. Dasharatha Maharaj, he cheat me. So again, Vishwamitra returned back to in front of the Dasharatha Maharaj. And he told to Dasharatha Maharaj, you really tell to me, these two sons, they are Ram or Lakshman or not? That time Dasharatha Maharaj honestly told, well, these two sons is not Ram and Lakshman. Then Vishwamitra told, okay, you have to give me your two sons, Ram and Lakshman. Only Ram and Lakshman to kill Tarakasur. No one can kill Tarakasur. Then again, Dasharatha Maharaj, he also gave his two sons to Ram and Lakshman to Vishwamitra. So I am saying this thing. Even the same way, if you want to attend to Golok Vrindavan, one is called Vidhi Marga state. And Vidhi Marga Ratajane, Sadhinata Ratnadani, Rag Margi Karana Pravesh. Vidhi Marga, you have to follow the rules and regulations of the scriptures. So one is called Vidhi Marga, another is called Rag Marga. Vidhi Marga is going to straight to Golok Vrindavan, Vaikuntha Dham. Or if you practice one service to Lord Rag Marga, then you will go to Golok Vrindavan. What do you prefer? If you want to go Golok Vrindavan, you have to practice the devotional service of Raganuga Bhakti. Or if you want to go Golok Vrindavan, then you practice Vaidhi Bhakti. So now coming these two types of bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. Which bhakti do you want? Keshav? You? You, what do you want? What is the definition of Raganuga Bhakti? You want, so what is the definition of Raganuga Bhakti? What is the meaning of Raganuga Bhakti also? आप बोलो. इसके बाद क्या है? स्टे सारण का राग. Can forget. You cannot. स्टे सारसिक राग परम अविश्रुता भवेत् तन्मय तो भवेदुस रागात्मिका कदिदा. रागात्मिका उनिश्चिता सा रागानुगा उच्यते. विराजन्ति व्यक्तिं ब्रजवासी जनादिषु. रागात्मिका उनिश्चिता सा रागानुगा उच्यते. Ragatmik, those who are eternal as of Krishna, they are called Ragatmik Jan. Raga Atmika Ragatmik. Nanda Jasoda, they are called Ragatmik Jan. They have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. In their heart, this same thing. So saying Virajanti Vibhakting Brajavasi Janadisu. Those the eternal associate of Krishna, in their heart, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. Stay Sariskara. Or Param Avishruta Bhavit. Param Avishruta Bhavit means always they absorb in one specific mood towards Krishna. So those who are Brajavasis, this is their symptoms. How do you know he is Brajavasi? Iste sarasika rago param avishruta bhavit. Brajavasis, those are eternal Sri Krishna, there are two qualifications. Iste sarasika raga. Sarasik means according to their fixed mood, they always absorb with Krishna. Iste sarasika raga. A param avishta. Avishta means absorption. And Brajavasis, always they absorbed with Krishna. Even they perform their household duties. Chadvane, Abonane, Matana Puripo, Penchai Chanadvo, Rudito, Chanamar Jonadu, Gayanti Choinu, Onurakta, Dhyo, Kant. Sukdev Goswami Pal told Parikshit Maharaj. Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. There are two symptoms. What are the two symptoms? Just I told. Isti, sarse rago, rag or avishtata.
Absorption and spontaneity.
Isti, sarasika raga. According to their own mood, they always absorb with Krishna. Those are Vatsalya mood, parental mood. They absorb with Krishna and in the parental mood. You understand? Iste saras, that is the ras. Iste sarasika ras. Or param avishtrata bhavit. Second qualification, Brajavasi, param avishtrata. They always absorbed with Krishna. They never forget to Krishna. Even they churning their yogurt, milking from the cows. What were doing? They always absorbed with Krishna. Jadhvani, Abhanene, Matan Polipo, Penchai Chanadvo, Rudito, Chanamarjo Nadu, Gayanti Chaino Nurakta, Dhyo Srukanta. They are Brajavasi there. If anybody asks, who is Brajavasi? How do you know he is Brajavasi? These are Iste Sarasika Rago Param Avishtata Bhavit. Brajavasi, these are 24 hours, 24 seconds. And every second, every moment, they always absorb with Krishna. For this regard, they are called Brajavasi. You are also Brajavasi. Just you staying in Braj, eating, sleeping, also Brajavasi. But who is called the real Brajavasi? Ishti sarasika rago param avishtrata bhavit. Tanmayit bhavidu sa ragatmika kadita. How do you know avishta? Avishta means absorption. Without getting that things, you cannot survive your life. That is called Utkantha. Utkantha means eagerness. Without air, we cannot live. If air completely stump, air is stopped. Then we cannot live. We will give up body. In the same way, those who are eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, they always absorb with Krishna. 24 hours they absorb to Krishna. And when they perform their household duties, they also remember to Krishna. So, Jadhvane, Abhanene, Matana Pralipo, प्रेंक्षय क्षणाद्वो रुदितो क्षणमार्जुनादो गायन्तु अनुरक्त चित्त धिय अश्रुकंठ धन्ना ब्रजस्त्रियो उरुक्रम चित्त जान. Their life is successful because 24 hours they absorbed with Krishna. So now coming in this way, that is called Brajavasi. And one who receive on the sprinkle mood of Brajavasi and following the footsteps, they are called Raganuga Bhakta. This is the thing. So always remember who is called Ragatmik Jan or who is called Raganuga Sadhak. You understand or no? Remember these things. First, this is called Ragatmik Jan. Who is called Ragatmik Jan or who is called Raganuga Sadhak. You understand? What is the difference?
One who follows in the footsteps of Ragatmika Bhakti, of Raganuga, and that person who is absorbed and parikar of Shri Krishna.
Ragatmik Jan, they are called eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. Nanda Jasoda. They are only Krishna Nitya Parikar. They are not sadhak. They are not also Jiva Tattva. They are called Parikar Tattva. They are direct manifestation from Krishna's and which potency? Sarup Shakti. These things. Actual, when you deeply analyze, actually Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of internal potency of Krishna. Sarup Shakti, Sarupini Shrimati. Krishna, three types of Shakti. One is called Chit Shakti, Maya Shakti or Jiva Shakti. How many Shaktis? Three are saying here. In this context, though Krishna's innumerable potencies, but three potencies are very important. Chit Shakti, Jiva Shakti and Maya Shakti. Krishna, he creates the transcendental world with his Chit Shakti. This material world built with Krishna's Maya Shakti. For this regard, this material is called Mayik Jagat. Mayik Jagat, Mara Jagat. Many words we are using. Mrityu Lok also. Dukkhalaya Sastatam. In this material world, all we are suffering the three folds of Maya. So now coming in this way, Brajavas, those who are Brajavasis, Arthat Ragatmik Jan, they have only two qualifications there. Iste Sadhiskaragya or Param Abhishtata. This is the thing. Jatha Visayina, as like materialist people, 24 hours absorbed in his material things. Sometimes we give an example in Mathura. There was one, what is it called, Bania, businessman, and 24 hours that businessman, he sits inside in his shop. Understand this? He's called what kinds of shop?
24. Open 7 days.
Gold. सोने की दुकान था उसका. क्या था? Goldsmith. He is not a goldsmith. Gold seller.
Jewelry shop.
Jewelry. Okay. And goldsmith, they are also making gold. Yeah? Because he always know many synonyms, so he is speaking. But which synonym he will approve it, you have to know. Otherwise, big problem will come. Yeah? He was called gold seller. Yeah. He sells different kinds of golden jewelry. Yeah. But so 24 hours he is sitting in his shop. Yeah. Because he thinks how to collect more money. Yeah. If any client will come, he have to
Be ready.
be ready to have to take. Huh? Understand? They are very clever. Businessman is very clever or not? Huh? How to make the money. Huh? Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained Jaiva Dharma also. Those who are businessmen, Baniya, even they stay alone in one place, they can also make money. Very nice, beautiful story. Just I tell you. One businessman, he came to in front of king. King asked, "What is your qualification?" Then businessman he told, "I am merchant. I am doing business." Anywhere, your business. So what you are doing? Well, if I go any place, I can make money. How possible? Any place you will go make money, yes. Without and what is it? Punji nahi de karke. Without invest my money, capital, I can make money also. Well, how possible? Interested or not? Think. No need to invest your capital, money, but you can make money also. Businessman. Then king will go, okay. Sure, yes. So king will go, I will take test too. Well, what? Well, go to the beach. Go to the beach. And on the beach, you can make money. Then I will see there. Nobody there. On the beach, nobody. So he asked, what will, the businessman, he is clever, okay. So on the beach, I can make money. Just I count the waves of the ocean. If you count the waves of ocean, you can make money. Well, yes, of course. Could you do this? If you sit on the beach and many waves are coming, could you make the money?
Just count.
You know, okay, of course. Just to count the waves of the ocean, then I can make money. So no need to invest any capital, nothing. King told, okay, I will see. That businessman told, okay, you give me this place, ocean, maybe 5 kilometers from beach to middle of the ocean. 5 kilometers. 5 kilometers, what is your length, and 5 kilometers
Water.
no, broad. क्या बोले आपके सिनोनिम में कहाँ गए? लंबाई 5 किलोमीटर हमें देना चाहिए और चौड़ाई 5 किलोमीटर.
Length and breadth.
Length and
Breadth.
breadth. Okay, he's saying. Understand? From the beach to ocean, how much kilometer? 5 kilometers. लंबाई चौड़ाई. This side and this side. or how many waves will come, I will just count. Understand? Then king told, okay. But one thing, so have to put some area, so no one can pass this way. And if the sheep or any people will go, then I cannot properly count the waves. Just I count the waves, then I make money. Could you count the waves, make money? No?
This you will be able to.
So what kinds of a businessman? You are businessman? He is businessman. समुद्र के लहरियों को गिन करके आप पैसा कमा सकते कि नहीं? पॉसिबल या परफेक्ट बिजनेस. पक्का है?
Anyway, Gujarati is going the world. They
will make money.
They
They'll never go hungry.
For the
Story from Gujarati.
all the temples you saying they are Gujarati there. Gujaratis they are very also liberated all.
Generous.
Generous. They make money and that money they also use for Dev Seva. And if you go anywhere, especially what temple? Swaminarayan temple. All Swaminarayan temple you can all this money coming from Gujarati people.
Wealthy Gujarati. Wealthy.
अरे गुजराती people healthy तो फर्दी रहती. Why were you? ये पागल.
Synonymous. Gujarati and wealthy is same word.
Actually, I am surprised when I was in Leicester. There Gujarati temple. What is it called? Swaminarayan temple. It look like big airport.
There's one big one here too, Maharaj. Yeah, Swaminarayan.
Where?
Very big.
Yeah, just here.
Just
Everywhere.
no, not just here, further now.
Oh, the one in Marshall Road.
Yeah,
No, excuse me.
like airport.
Yeah, big land. About 300-400 car parks is there also.
Yeah.
Car, you can car this way. And temple how this way? They asked the people. They actually all this money coming from where? But Gujarati people they are giving. If you give the whole world, not only the
Even in
USA, England, even also India, everywhere. Everywhere Gujarati people they also making this now. Understand? Other people not so much spending money. And they also not collect these types of money. How they collect this one? Some they are in the blood is there also. Easy to make money. So now coming this, okay, listen very carefully. How will make money? As you tell. First I listen from you. If I give this place beach, no, you are not investing any capital. Just 5 meters, 5 kilometers length and 5 kilometers breadth. And this place will give you on the water. And there waves are coming. That's you collect count the waves. Keshav, could you make money or not?
Say yes.
Possible. How possible? Tell to me. Then I believe. What do you do?
सोल्ट बनाने का स्क्वायर बना के सुखा के पानी सुखा के सोल्ट बनाओ.
पानी सुखाएंगे?
दरिया का पानी है ना.
दरिया के पानी कैसे सुखाएंगे? नहीं सुखाने की बात नहीं है. केवल आपके तो वो आपके ये गिनना है ना.
5x5 करोगे
हाँ.
रेक्टेंगल बन गया.
हाँ.
स्क्वायर बन गया.
और आपको तो केवल यही दिया गया इतने जगह के अंदर जितने भी वेव्स आएगा उसको आपको गिनना है बस.
तो गिनती करनी है.
आप उससे केवल गिन करके आपको पैसा बनाना पड़ेगा.
वेव्स की गिनती.
You can't count the waves and make money.
You can't rent the space now.
Huh?
You can't rent
वो
the space
किराए
now.
पर वो किराए पर किसी को दे देंगे वो गिनेंगे वो पैसा बनाएंगे और इसका कमीशन ले लेंगे।
पैसा कैसे बनाएंगे ये तो बातें बताओ।
वो तो दूसरे का प्रॉब्लम है। इसको lateral thinking।
आप तो ये बताओ पैसा कैसे पैसे करते आपको केवल तो दिया गया इतने जगह के अंदर जितने वेव्स आ रहे हैं। पहले सुनो कंडीशन क्या है, ये इतने जगह के अंदर 5 किलोमीटर बाई 5 किलोमीटर के अंदर में जितना वेव्स आएगा उसको केवल गिनना है, उसको गिन करके पैसा बनाना है। पानी फानी सुखाने के लिए गुजरात में थोड़ी वो लवन फैक्ट्री करना थोड़ी पड़ेगा, वो कुछ नहीं है, कुछ करना नहीं। आपकी कंडीशन है केवल काउंट द वेव्स, पैसा बनाओ, यही तो भी है। आप बताओ फिर ब्रेन लगाओ आप सारा दिन।
कल बताएंगे। You can call somebody, call a friend.
कोई कंडीशन नहीं है आपके, ये लगना नहीं, केवल आपके जो है राजा ने क्या कहा, ये आपके 5 बाई 5 मीटर किलोमीटर इतने जगह जो आपको मैं दे रहा हूँ, समुद्र के तट से लेकर के समुद्र की बीच तक अंदर तक 5 किलोमीटर इतने अंदर में जितने वेव्स आएगा उसको आपको गिनना पड़ेगा और गिन करके उसे पैसा लग
Make money on counting the waves.
हाँ
From 5 kilometers from the shore and to 5 kilometers inside the ocean.
हाँ
5 by 5.
5 बाई
Don't let us down now. Make this work. We have to make some money.
इंटरेस्ट है इनकी नहीं।
I was impressed by the salt factory. It was very nice.
Yeah, that's a suggestion. So
And the renting also was good.
Good idea.
If he's sitting like counting the waves, he's very still, and people might think he's a sadhu, and they come and give him money.
हाँ
वो साधु बन के वहाँ बैठेंगे तो कोई दक्षिणा देंगे कैसे?
तो दिक्कत दे देंगे,
his concentration will get
ऐसे
shifted
ऐसे
down
ध्यान में
the way.
बैठेंगे।
तो बिजनेस थोड़ी है।
साधु बिजनेस
नहीं
Good idea.
साधु बैठ कर पैसा थोड़ी दे देंगे, है इतना साथ थोड़ी है। भाई
Maharaj, because if it's easy to count the waves, you can make money, right?
वेस्टर्न कंट्री में बैठा रहो, कोई भी एक भी पैसा कोई नहीं दे, हैं
जो रास्ता में बैठे थे लोग बेगर्स
कौन देता है?
बेगर सब
वो बेकार से वो तो उसको थोड़ी है, वो पैसा थोड़ी वो
No, some people make money doing nothing. They just make like statue, live statue. They doing nothing. Right? Yeah. Live statue.
अरे आप चिंता करके नहीं पाओगे, हैं? मैं आपको सुनाता हूँ, सुनो। हमारी भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर वर्णन कर दिया, हैं? नहीं, भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर गुजराती नहीं है, गुजरात भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर वैश्य थे। ही इज नॉट वैश्य, ही इज वैश्य ना? हाँ या वैश्य ना, नॉट बिजनेसमैन। अच्छा चलो मैं बताता हूँ, सुनो ध्यान से सुनो, पहले कैसे पैसा बनाना है। तो
We don't want you to tell us. We want to do it and work it out ourselves.
Huh?
We're Gujarati. We have Gujarati pride.
We don't want you to tell us.
Don't tell us.
you tell to me,
Tomorrow he said, give us to
Just
tomorrow.
one
Then
day.
we'll finish it.
okay, one day I'm giving, tomorrow will give answer, huh?
I will give you the answer.
You cannot cheat.
Okay,
No.
so
हैं?
Tell us.
क्या? हाँ सुन, हिंदी में बताता हूँ, सुनो अच्छी तरह से, है? तो राजा की बोले ठीक है महाराज, मैं 5 किलोमीटर मुझे ये दीजिए, मैं इसमें जितने काम ये आएगा वेव्स आएगा वो गिनूँ और उससे पैसा बनाऊँ, है? किंतु इसके अंदर में कोई व्यक्ति आना जाना नहीं कर पाएगा इतने अंदर, क्योंकि नहीं तो हम मेरा वेब से जो टूट जाएगा, है? कोई उस जगह में स्नान कर नहीं पाएंगे अथवा कोई आना जाना नहीं कहीं करेगा, है। आज में वास्तव वो जगह जो लिया गया उसमें जो है वो ये चलने वाले जहाज चलने वाले हैं, जहाज जाते हैं ना, शिप जो है जहाज। तो एक मर्चेंट था, बनिया था, उसके उसी जगह से उसको जाना था, है उसके जहाज लेकर के जाना था, और उन्होंने रिस्ट्रिक्शन कर देना, इसे आप जहाज नहीं ले सकते हो, है? और वो बेचारा ऐसे देखा जो इस स्थान हुक्र में नहीं जाए तो मेरा लॉस हो जाएगा। तो उसको बोले भाई तुमको मैं पैसा देता हूँ, मुझे चढ़ बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल। इजी हो गया नहीं है? ये जगह मेरा है आपने दिया जो है, इसमें कोई जहाज नहीं है, वो जहाज वाला जाने वाला है उनको, नहीं तो उसके लॉस हो जाएगा। वो बोले जाओ तुमको मैं इसमें पैसा देता हूँ, मुझे छोड़ दो। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी राजा को देकर के पैसा दे दिए। राजा आश्चर्य है, तुमने ऐसे पैसे कैसे कमाया? तो उन्होंने बताया महाराज यही तो है। उसमें भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर लिख रहे हैं, बोले ये बनिया लोग हैं, बिजनेसमैन जहां पर जाते हैं वो पैसा बना देंगे, है क्या? उनका ब्रेन उसी प्रकार ही है ना। आप जहां पर जाओगे, पृथ्वी में कहीं भी जाओ, जितना देश है, ऐसे कई देश नहीं जहां पर गुजराती लोग नहीं है? और जहां जहां पर गुजराती लोग होता है वो अपने मंदिर बना लेते हो, है? और विशेष करके जो है हमारे बल्लभाचार्य के एक विशेष कृपा हुई उनके ऊपर। बल्लभाचार्य नाम सुना कि नहीं है? नाम सुना? बल्लभाचार्य जो है बल्लभाचार्य की एक विशेष कृपा जो है गुजरात में ही हुआ है। हु मेट विद लॉर्ड चैतन्य महाप्रभु, बल्लभाचार्य है। अच्छा, इन लोग के जो है सब, इन लोग के एक ही निष्ठा जो है इष्ट देव मेरे, कृष्ण के छोड़कर किसी का भजन नहीं करते लोग, है? जहां पर गुजराती लोग देखोगे वो एक निष्ठा रखते, कृष्ण छोड़कर किसी का भजन नहीं करते वो लोग, है? आज और संप्रदाय के और लोग जो है किसी के और के काली शिव दुर्गा इधर उधर भजन करेंगे, किंतु गुजराती लोग के घर में जाओ जरूर उनके घर में जो है कृष्ण आपको मिलेगा, है? वो बालकृष्ण हो अथवा दरगाह कृष्ण मिलेगा उनके घर में, है? हाँ समझिए। इसलिए उन लोग की एक निष्ठा है, क्योंकि बल्लभाचार्य आकर के गुजरात को जो है ऐसे प्रेम में, कृष्ण प्रेम में डुबा दिया था, एक महापुरुष होकर के, है? एक महापुरुष होकर के सारे गुजरात को जो है कृष्ण प्रेम में उसको डुबा दिया, है समझ में? है ऐसे कोई जहां पर भी जाओगे आप देखना मिलेगा आपको। तो हम लोग इसमें जाते हैं, क्या बोले है नहीं, जो बल्लभाचार्य जी राजकोट में गए थे ना, है पुष्टि मार्ग के संप्रदाय है। ये पुष्टि मार्ग के संप्रदाय जो कृष्ण के जरूर भजन करेगा, है? ये लोग इतने सहनशील भी होता है? ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा में हम तो क्या बोले इसमें चलते हैं, बस में चलते हैं, ये कैसे चलते हैं। गुजराती लोग देखो वो पूरा जो है इसमें करते हैं, क्या बोले पैदल पैदल करते हैं, हाँ चार करते हैं 40 दिन, हम लोग के 10 दिन करने में दम निकल जाता है 15 दिन वो भी कर पाएंगे भगवान जाने है। और ये लोग 40 दिन है परिक्रमा करते हैं। आपने किया कभी ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा? नहीं किया है? गोवर्धन के है ना ना, पूरा ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा जो है 84 क्रोश ब्रजमंडल पैदल में। हाँ बहुत अच्छी बात है। ये लोग वो हाथ में डंडा लेकर ही चलते 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 है। विश्राम घाट से, मथुरा विश्राम घाट से ये लोग उठाते हैं है और पूरा 84 करोड़ ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा 40 दिन पूरा करते हैं है। हम लोग एक दिन गोवर्धन परिक्रमा करके दूसरे दिन बहुत थकान आ गया, किंतु ये लोग आश्चर्य की बात होता है वास्तव रूप में। सहनशीलता इतना परिश्रम कहाँ कर पाते हैं है? हाँ समझिए। चलो हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं ये लोग जितने पैसा भी कमाते हैं उतना पैसा वो भगवत सेवा में खर्च करते रहते हैं। हाँ समझिए। गुजराती लोगों की एक स्वाभाविक जो है कृष्ण के प्रति प्रीति है किंतु सेवा भावना है। वास्तविक है, कोई किसी के चापलूसी करके बात नहीं हो रहा, किंतु वास्तव में जो है सेवा भाव देखना पड़ता है तो इन लोग के पास होता है। चलो हम जिस क्या प्रसंग बोले स्टे है
Gold seller. Explaining the meaning of Avishta.
Gold seller, selling gold.
Selling gold 24/7.
हाँ ओके गोल्ड सेलर है ओके ज्वेलर्स है गोल्ड ज्वेलर्स है। वो 24 घंटा जो है दुकान पर बैठा रहता था। मैं इसको तो आविष्ट किसको कहा जाता है? एब्जॉर्शन। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एब्जॉर्शन? आविष है। वो दुकान पर बैठे 24 घंटे में 24 घंटा है। वो दुकान पर भी सो जाते थे, दुकान पर भी खाते, क्योंकि एक कोई कस्टमर आ जाए है वो छोड़ते नहीं था, किसी न किसी प्रकार से उसको पकड़ता है, माने बेचता है वो है। तो एक दिन क्या है उसके वो बनिया के क्या है क्या हो गया, बुखार आ गया है। और इतना तेज बुखार होने लगे, उसके बेटा बोले पिताजी आप घर में जाओ विश्राम करो। वो बनिया बोले नहीं मैं दुकान छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा है। हाँ समझे, दुकान मेरा मंदिर है, दुकान मेरा मंदिर है, मंदिर छोड़ कर कहाँ जाएंगे है। ग्राहक मेरा देवता है मंदिर में कौन आता है? ग्राहक आता है ना, ग्राहक समझते हो है, कस्टमर है। और हमारे मेरे जो बिजनेस के यही हमारे है, उसे लिखा रहता है, देखो दुकान में लिखा रहता है। आपके दुकान में लिखा है? नहीं लिखा रहता। आप जाना वृंदावन में जाए, कह रहे मथुरा में जाना है, जितने भी बुनिया की दुकान है लिखा रहता है मंदिर मेरा, दुकान मेरा मंदिर है, ग्राहक मेरा देवता है लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी मेरे स्वागत है। चलो वो दुकानदार वो क्या करने लगे, उसके है ना, उसके तो बुखार हो गया है। उसके बेटा बोले पिताजी आप घर जाओ थोड़ा विश्राम करो। बोले नहीं मैं मंदिर छोड़कर, दुकान मंदिर छोड़कर मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा। कब देवता आ जाए क्या पता है, देवता समझते हो माने कब हमारे कस्टमर आ जाए है। कस्टमर थोड़ी बोल करके थोड़ी आते हैं, कभी आ जाए हैं। सामान के खरीदने के लिए कस्टमर थोड़ी आपको फोन करके थोड़ी आएगी, वो तो कभी भी आ जाएगी। उसके कार्य वो कह रहे हैं भाई देवता कब मेरा मंदिर में आ जाए, माने दुकान में आ जाए, है इसलिए मुझे जाने नहीं। उसके बेटा बार बार कहने लगे पिताजी आपके बुखार हो गया, आप थोड़ी समय विश्राम घर में जाकर के विश्राम करो। वो बोले नहीं मैं दुकान छोड़ के कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा है। तो ऐसे करते उनके बुखार और भी तेज हो गया, बढ़ गया तेज। तो उसके बेटा ने क्या कि डॉक्टर को बुलाया है। डॉक्टर आकर के उनके जो है वो पल्स देखने लगे है, और पल्स देख करके डॉक्टर कहने लगे देखो इसके तो बुखार तेज हो गया, बहुत तेज हो गया है। और वो बुनिया सुन रहे क्या, ये मेरे जो सोने के भाव जो है, गोल्ड जो है, उसके भाव क्या हो गया, बढ़ गया, तेज हो गया। डॉक्टर कह रहे हैं इसके बुखार तेज हो गया, और वो क्या सुन रहे हैं, ये मेरा सोने के भाव तेज हो गया, बढ़ गया। तो बेटा के देखो कह रहे हैं इतना बुखार में, वो कह रहे हैं बेटा इस सोने के तू जल्दी जल्दी बेच दे भाव तेज हो गया ना भाव तेज हो गया, इसके जल्दी जल्दी बेच दे। ऐसे करके बस उस दुकान में वो बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल हो गया। इतने हाई फीवर में वो क्या सोच रहे हैं, सोने की चिंता कर रहे हैं, स्वर्ण की चिंता कर रहे हैं, ये वो तेज हो है। इसमें हम कौन सा शिक्षा ले रहे हैं, आवेश है। बिजनेस जो करते हैं ना उसको आवेश रहता है, बिना आवेश से थोड़ी बिजनेस चलेगा है। ध्यान से सब समय रखना पड़ता है। हाँ समझ। ठीक उसी प्रकार हम ये उदाहरण दे रहे हैं जो ब्रजवासी लोगों की उसी प्रकार ही है। ब्रजवासी लोग आवेश किस में रहता है, कृष्ण में है। जिस प्रकार एक बिजनेसमैन जैसे धन कमाने में जैसे अभिष्ट होकर रहता है, समझ में आ रहे है। इन द सेम वे है, जो भगवत भक्त जो होते हैं, ब्रजवासी जन जो होते हैं, उन्हें 24 घंटे में 24 घंटे कृष्ण छोड़कर किसी के स्मरण नहीं होता उनका। कृष्ण छोड़ करके किसी को वो स्मरण नहीं करते है। हाँ इसलिए कह रहे जादू होने अबोहने ने मतो न प्रलेप प्रेक्षय क्षणाद्व रुदितो क्षणमान जो नादु गायंत चैनो अनुरक्त ध्यो सुरुकंठो धन्ना ब्रजस्त्रियो उरुक्रम चित्त जानो। जो ब्रजवासी इटर्नल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ कृष्ण, कृष्ण जो नित्य परिकर, ये उनकी सिम्टम होता है। दो सिम्टम्स बता रहे हैं, एक है कृष्ण में आवेश और दूसरी उत्कंठा, इगारनेस एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड इगारनेस। ये दोनों सिम्टम्स है। देयर आर टू सिम्टम्स ऑफ ब्रजवासी। समझ में आया। ये कृष्ण सेवा के लिए उत्कंठित होकर रहते हैं, और आवेश कृष्ण में रहता है। 24 hours they observe with Krishna, और 24 hours they are thinking how to serve to Krishna। कृष्ण सेवा और कृष्ण अभिष्ट रहता है। हम लोग कहते हैं ये ब्रजवासी है, ब्रजवासी है। ब्रज में जो वास करते हैं वो ब्रजवासी है, तो बात सही है, किंतु ये external symptoms. Gurudev says, even in Braj, many also pigs, dogs, even also monkeys, they are living in Braj or not. Even also what is called pickpocketers, stealing the money, even also slaughterhouse or butcher, they are living also Braj. They are saying also we are Brajavasi. Butcher saying I am a Brajavasi, I am staying in Braj, I am living in Braj. But
They kill the cow in Braj?
Huh?
Is there a slaughterhouse
Now I think stopped. Also they are killing also chicken. Before was there the cow slaughter in there. Now the government, this government is coming. They वो स्टॉप कर दिया है. मुसलमान जहाँ पर है तो उनकी तो काम वही है. मुसलमान की तो काम है गो हत्या करना है. करते ही वो मुसलमान जहाँ पर रहेंगे वो तो अपने स्वभाव थोड़ी छोड़ेंगे. गाँव गो हत्या करता है, छुप करके करता है. तो वास्तव Butcher, how possible we say the butcher is Brajavasi? But the butcher is also saying, I am Brajavasi, because I am living in Braj. I am Brajavasi. I am living in Vrindavan, I am Vrindavanvasi. So for this regard, Sri Rupa Goswami Pada explains who is called Brajavasi. So this is the symptom of Brajavasi, one who 24 hours absorbed with Krishna. Or 24 that eager how to serve to Krishna. कृष्ण सेवा के लिए उत्कंठित होकर रहते हैं और कृष्ण में अभिष्ट रहता है. सोचे इष्टे सारसिक रागो परम अभिष्टता भवेत तन्मय तो भवेद भूषा रागात्मिका कदिता. यह तन्मय में absorption 24. First to learn this verse. इष्टि सारुषिक रागो परम अभिष्टता भवे तन्मय तो भवेद भूषा रागात्मिका कदिता. रागात्मिका उनिष्ठिता सा रागानुग उच्यते विराजन्ते विव्यक्तं ब्रजवासी जनादिषु. Those are Brajavasi they are. So now coming in this way, two kinds of bhakti. One is called Vidhi Bhakti, another is called Raganuga Bhakti. If you only practice the Vidhi Bhakti, then we will go Vaikuntha. Or if you practice Raganuga Bhakti, then we will go Golok Vrindavan. And Vidhi Bhakti leads to Vaikuntha. Or Raganuga Bhakti leads to Golok Vrindavan. What do you want? Golok Vrindavan. So we have to practice Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti of the Brajava, those eternal assured Krishnas, and they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. So all you think is how to receive on the sprinkle mood of Brajavasis and manifest in my heart. And to serve your Ishtadev under guidance of Brajavasi. Rup Sanatan, they are called real Brajavasi. Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, they are called Brajavasi. Understand? This. So, just to discuss these things, how to receive on the sprinkles mood of Brajavasi. Suddha Satta Vishyatma Prema Sujjang Sambhavaka Ruchi Vichitta Smarshana Kridasu Bhava Uchchati. And one who attains the stage of Bhava. And that on the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Radhini will manifest. And then his heart will be very soft. And so much taste will come to serve to Krishna, listen to Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. So Ishte Sarisga Param Ishta Bhavit. This Brajavasis, this mood automatically manifests. As like Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjaris, they are the sprinkle of mood manifest in your heart. Always think who is Brajavasi? Nanda, Jasoda. They are called Brajavasi. Radha, Lalita, Visakha, they are called Brajavasi. Rupanjari, Rutimanjari, they are Brajavasis. And Subal, Sridham, they are called Brajavasi. Rakta, Patrak, and Dasaras, they are Brajavasi. So always think how will receive this mood from their heart. Yeah? So, always remember these things. You can stay anywhere. Yeah? Yeah? There is no need physically stay in Braj. Yeah? But you may stay anywhere. But the mood is that how to serve to Radha and Krishna under guidance of Lalita, Visakha, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, or Subal, Sridham, Nanda, Jasudha. Then you will become also Brajavasi. Eh? This is very important. Eh? Always I am giving the emphasis this word. Eh? Brajavas. What is the meaning of live in Braj, stay in Braj? What is saying? Eh? Tishtan Braje. Always you stay in Braj. But stay in Braj means is what? Always remember to Krishna's sweet pastimes. Eh? Some people they are physically staying in Braj, but in their heart no any mood, Braj mood, nothing. Eh? Actually they are not real Brajavasi. Or some person also staying in Braj and same mood of Radha, Lolita, Abhishek, they are called Brajavasi. But these types of people are very, very rare. Eh? Brajavasi, you stay in Braj. And so far the Rupa Goswami Pad explained. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukrutanam Smrito Kamana Rasana Manasa Nijaju Tishtan Braje Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalang Nayat Akram Itta Upadisa Saram. You learn these words. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukrutanam Smrito Upadishamritam. Tannamo Rupachaitadi Sukrutanam Smrito Karmana Rasana Manasi Nijaju Tishtan Braje Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami Kalang Nayat Akram Itta Upadisa Saram. Understand these things? All right.
May I ask one thing about this subject?
If
I'm qualified to know.
I speak to qualified, unqualified, there is no need. Always speaking 2 minutes, that is not perfect. Just start to speak.
Sometimes you say that until nowadays there are some people who live in Vrindavan, like they are very, very like sant. Like sometimes you say like this big like sadhus. Big means they are don't speak to anyone. They just stay in their own, not speaking, like they don't glorify anyone, don't criticize anyone. They just stay in their own bhajan, doing their own bhajan. Many you still there are so many, but you don't know them. They are just somewhere there. My question is about these great saints that are like doing their bhajan hiddenly. Let's say like they're not, they are not involved in anything. My question is, I understood that to achieve the perfection in the sadhan bhajan in the Kali Yuga, you need to be in the line of Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada and Gauriya Mata Mahaprabhu. Are they necessarily initiated in this life by also the gurus in our line, Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada line, or maybe they did this in the previous life and now they're just maybe in other things, but not necessarily because they already came to that state?
Maybe if they are doing these types of mood, doing bhajan and sadhan, that means the previous life they did. They did bhajan sadhan previous life. So for this regard, they absorb 24 hours.
So in this life they don't need to necessarily come in the line of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. In this life, not necessarily they must take diksha from the.
They did already. They also did in the line of Sri Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada. Everything did. But line means is what? They are saying the conception of Prabhupada or not. विचार को ले रहे हैं कि नहीं ले रहे हैं? रूप सनातन के विचार लिया कि नहीं लिया? You understand or not? If they are not taking the same vichar of Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada or what is called Rupa Goswami, Sanatana, they are not Brajavasi. Huh? Brajavasi, so for the Brajavasi have to these. They are not worship any demigod and demigoddess. Rupa Sanatana, they did not worship any demigod, only one Pandit with Radha Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And they always observe Rupa Sanatana's mode. These are things. Understand? Those who worship Lakshmi Narayan, they are not Brajavasi. Those who worship others, they are not Brajavasi. Those who worship Hanuman, if you go Braj, many places, Hanuman temple. Actually Hanuman, Hanuman he don't like to in Braj. Because Hanuman cannot tolerate the Mother Yashoda twist the ears of Krishna. What will she say in Braj? If you go Jagannath Puri, then Krishna, then Jagannath told to Hanuman, hey Hanuman, you come here. Because he has the big waves coming and disturb my shore, Answer. So Hanuman said, okay. So Hanuman he came and he is staying in there. But sometimes he ran away. Then Lord Jagannath tied with rope to him. Don't go here. So for this regard, that Hanuman temple is called Bedi Hanuman. This lila is going on there. Understand? And nearby what is temple? Jasri, Sea Palace. There is one temple is there. There is a Bedi Hanuman also there. Chakratirtha. Have you been or not?
Yes. I didn't
So?
know inside.
Not possible.
Oh, they not allow the Westerns, no?
They don't? I don't know.
Almost. I was getting inside and somebody came near me from behind.
I didn't know.
Like,
Bedi Hanuman,
not so much street.
आप गए बड़ी हनुमान में?
I know many people, मैं अंदर नहीं गई.
क्यों? अरे अंदर तो आप जा सकते हो, इंडियन लोग जा सकते हैं.
No, we didn't go. We didn't go. The first day the parikrama when we were there last time in Purushottam.
अरे परिक्रमा कौन जाते हैं उधर?
I think it's
They went, but I didn't go. And then I asked you, you said no, but now I know because I'm Westerner. But
They ask money, no? Also I think.
No, they don't allow it.
Huh?
Try to go, then don't allow.
No, try to allow. They also have ticket system also there. I think so.
But Indian have to give this.
No, if Indian people will go also there are things there. Ticket system, no? I think so. I forget. I went to once time. This is enough. This is good.
But then you don't have to give a donation in the temple. You just give them your ticket. It's okay. It's okay. It
Huh?
works out.
you know in the Vrindavan.
Gaur Premanandi.
Vrindavan there is one sadhu. Like he's a Vallabh, Radha Vallabha.
Sampada.
I remember once, just this time when I came during the Rupa Goswami's tithi, I went for parikrama like early morning. It was like late, really late, early morning. And like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, they had like 5,000 people waiting for him to have his darshan. That Premananda, I think his name is Premananda Swami. So, what would you say? They are Vrajvasis? Are they, would you say, human devotees would be really Vrajvasis?
If you want pointed with Krishna, there is Brajava.
Yeah, because he, I think he tells everyone to
Yeah?
chant Radhe Radhe like. But they don't follow Ekadasi.
They don't follow Ekadasi.
So then they are not following Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So would you call them Vrajvasi?
No, they have to follow the Ekadasi. Ekadasi have to follow.
So then when
For this regard, what is called Srimad Bhagavad saying, Dharma prajito koito vatro parva nirmatsa nam sutam. पृथ्वीते जत कथा धर्म नामे चले भागवत कही तार परिपूर्ण चले. ब्रजवासी they also follow the rules. Krishna himself, Nanda Baba himself also, they also perform Ekadashi. Kali Yuga people are doing this. Are people लोग कहाँ जाते हैं जहाँ पर क्या बोले लोग भीड़ होता है ना लोग वहीं पर कौन इसकी चिंता करते और सहज सरल है एकादशी